Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and use a VPN on your Apple TV. It's easier than you think, so let's get right to it. First, head to the home screen on your Apple TV. You know, the one with all your apps. Once you're there, navigate over to the App Store and click to open it. Inside the App Store, look for the search icon in the top navigation bar. Click on that, and then search for the VPN you want to use. For this example, we're going to use IPVanish VPN. So type in IPVanish. Once you've searched, IPVanish should be the top result, and the icon should look like, describe the icon. Click on it. Now you can scroll down to see more info about the VPN. When you're ready to download, scroll back to the top and click the Get button. This will download the app to your Apple TV. Mine shows a cloud button because I've downloaded it before. Yours will probably say Get. Either way, click it. Once the application is downloaded, click Open. The first time you open the app, you'll see a privacy screen. Read through that information. Once you're ready, click on Get Started. You'll then be taken to the login screen. Go ahead and log in to your IPVanish account. If you don't have an account yet, use the link in the description below or the pinned comment to get an exclusive discount on an IPVanish account. Seriously, check it out. After you log in, you'll be asked to create a configuration profile for the VPN. Click Allow. And that's it. You can now start using IPVanish VPN. For this video, I'm going to connect to a United States server because I want to watch the US version of Netflix. You can also click the search icon at the top if you have a specific server in mind. Once you've found the server you want, click on it. After a few seconds, you'll be successfully connected. Now that you're connected, you can use your Apple TV just like normal, but with the added benefit of the VPN. Let's open Netflix as an example. Sign in to your Netflix account and select your profile. Now you can watch the US version of Netflix on your Apple TV. Just to show you it's working, look, it says Top 10 TV Programs in the US today. Go ahead, select a show and start watching. And that's all there is to it. Remember to use the link in the description or the pinned comment to get that exclusive discount on an IPVanish account. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.